mercado é exatamente igual ao outro. Miedo apretado.
This next song I'm going to sing is from the CD. It's one of my favorites out there. Very much. If you want to grab a CD, I think I came prepared just in case. I've got my pen, sign it for you, which does nothing to the
like
value
a
of it.
picture, random guy.
As I said, thank you. Oh, fireworks, there we go, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, yeah. If I sign it for you, you hold on to it. If I become famous in 5 years' time, fingers crossed, you never know. You can hold on to it. You can go, oh, I saw that guy live, he's famous now. You can sell it online for a fortune. I'll let you be the judge. But hopefully you do enjoy the next song. It's called Everything. It's going to start with a guitar on the loop pedal. And hopefully enjoy. Here we go. Back in harmony.
Yeah, we're right now. Desde la parte de arriba de la brasileña.
falling for you. I never stood a chance. All the feeling flow, but I'm laying my thoughts out bare for you, holding my heart in my hand. The story goes, when we're standing face to face, these things never change. With you next to me, moments feel like movie scenes. Yeah, they feel like we've got it all figured out. The way our eyes align, got it all figured out. Oh, want this every night. 'Cause you are everything I hope that love should be. You are everything to me. I've been broken and bruised every day we've been apart. Now I'm on my own. Something keeps drawing me to you, and I've known it from the start. Yeah, you feel like home when we're standing face to face. These things never change. With you next to me, like moments feel like movie scenes. Yeah, they feel like we've got it all figured out. The way our eyes align, got it all figured out. Oh, want this every night. 'Cause you are everything I hope that love should be. You are everything to me. 'Cause we've got it all figured out.